everyone, welcome to Musical Engineer. I hope you're doing absolutely amazing. If you have not yet subscribed to Musical Engineer, please go and hit the subscribe button, and also don't forget to hit the notification button so that every time I post a new video, you get the updates of it. So this video is a special video. I'm going to unbox one of the t-shirt that I have designed for my channel, that is Musical Engineer, and I'm going to unbox that. So stay tuned and watch till the last. So here it is, here we go. So here I am with the t-shirt, and I hope you can see that the logo of Musical Engineer is here, and also the YouTube logo is here. So I hope you have liked the t-shirt, and tell me your views. Just write in the comment box what is your views about the t-shirt. From the next time I make a video, I'll be wearing this t-shirt. Another thing is in process, another coffee mug is coming, so I'll just unbox that also and I'll show you. So don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Musical Engineer, and share this video as much as possible. I hope you like the unboxing of this t-shirt, and yeah, thank you, bye bye, take care.